In math, and especially in mathematical logic, we concern ourselves with something called statements. So in mathematics, a statement is a sentence that is either true or false, but not both simultaneously. So not both. The idea here, or something you can keep in mind to tell something's a sentence, is this sentence a fact, or is it the opposite of a fact, something that I know is not true? So, statement's a sentence. A statement is a sentence that is either true or false, but not both. Let's look at a few sentences and see if we think they're statements. So here's a sentence: today is Saturday. Well, that is either true or false, depending on when you're watching this video. I happen to be recording this on a Tuesday, so it's false. But either way, this is a statement because it is either true or false. All right, let's look at the next one. Go home. Go home, that's not really true or false. I guess if I said I'd like you to go home, then that would be a statement because I either would or I wouldn't. But the way it is, just go home, this is a command. This is not a statement because it's not either true or false. Okay, let's look at another one. The Packers are 3-2. Now, when I'm recording this, the Packers aren't even in season, so this would be false. However, they either have that record right now or they don't, so this is either true or false, so this is a statement. Okay, it's something that is either true or false. I don't necessarily need to know which one. Happens to be false, but at the moment of this recording, but not possibly when you're watching. All right. Every dog is a cat. Sure. Seems rather false, but certainly a statement. It's either true or false. Eureka. Now this isn't really making a claim. It's just an exclamation. So this is not a statement. The LA Kings are the best NHL team. Okay. Remember when we were talking about sets and talking about them being well-defined, this has the same problem. This word best, I don't know what's meant by it. I don't know if it means best record. I don't know if it means, I'm not sure what it means to be the best NHL team. And further, since I don't know exactly what that means, that makes us an opinion. Opinions are not statements. This is not a statement. Okay, so watch out for opinions. Opinions are not statements. Things that are either facts or things that are the opposite of facts are statements. This sentence is false. Mathematicians have had a lot of trouble with things like this. And, you know, here's kind of the problem, right? If this is making a true claim, if this is a true claim, then it's false, so we have problems. If this is false, then it's true because it says it's false. This self-referential kind of thing here, this is a problem. We have a problem with this. Whenever we have something like this, we're going to say it is not a statement. All right, just because it's not either true or false, maybe it's both, maybe it's some kind of weird neither thing, but we're not going to consider statements like this in our brief exploration of logic. Here's another sentence. Wikipedia was launched January 15th, 2001. Even if you have no idea if that's true or false, you know it must be one of them, so this is a statement. Just a second. Did I write not a statement here? Yeah, I did. Okay. Good. So yeah, Wikipedia was launched January 15th, 2001, is a statement that happens to be true, I believe, or so I read on Wikipedia's Wikipedia page. Where can I get a good burger? This is making no claim, so this is not a statement. It's not either true or false, it is just a question, so that is not a statement. Finally, some pets are cats. Sure, that's a statement. So remember, in order for something to be a statement, it has to be either true or false, and not both. And the way you can kind of think about it, if you remember the difference between a fact and an opinion, if you look at a sentence and you think, this is a fact, or, oh, this is, the opposite of a fact, it's something that's definitely false, that is a statement. If you look at a sentence and you say, this is an opinion, I think, then that is not going to be a statement. And then all the things, questions, exclamations, anything that's not really making a claim, also not statements.